Hello everyone, it's me, Top Weave, I'm back again. Okay, so this time we'll be playing another episode of Morrowind. Sorry, Path to Morrowind. But this time it's going to be a little bit longer. There will be two parts. One that'll be posted today, and then another that'll be posted the day after. Reason being is because I'm going to be doing longer playthrough videos, because I've noticed that each time that I do a playthrough video, it's only about an hour long, and that's barely enough time to get any, actual content. So I'm going to be doing at least 2 to 3 hours now, and I'll be making more and more content for you guys to watch. You get to see me fool around a little bit and find some exotics. Anyways, okay, today I have a plan. Today's plan is that we are going to try and finish the Blades side, the Blades Guild quest or the Fighters Guild quest. One of the two. And if possible, explore some Daedric ruins as well. I really hope to find an exotic weapon called Chara. I don't freaking know how to spell it, but I know it's pronounced Kisamir or Kaisamir. It's a great sword. It has 70 thrust. No? 70 slash? 70 thrust? I don't freaking know. Anyways, let's just get into this right now. Okay, so if I remember correctly, last time we were here, we did some quests for the Fighter Guild, and we got some pretty neat stuff. We got some armor, some helmets, and we also ended up taking a look around the area just a little bit. This is... I think this is Balmora? Yeah, this is Balmora. Oh, you know what? Before we do anything, I'm gonna go check this guy out. He probably has a lot of armor, so I'm just gonna go see.
I don't know if I can help you, but I'll try.
Hello, friend. I'm Meldor. Welcome to Balmora. If you have a question, I'll be happy to answer it. Or try, anyways. If there is just a little advice you'd like, that's fine too. Give me some advice real quick. The easy way to get started is to join a guild. Do the jobs, earn your way up to the ranks, and get discounts, training, and other services. Gets you out and around in Vardenfell, a little at a time. Get to know the country and the people. The guild takes an interest in you. Doesn't send you in over your head. The Fighters Guild and the Legion, anyway. The Mages Guild is another story. Some old chair polisher doesn't have a clue what he's sending you into. Doesn't much care. Yeah, it's a good thing I chose the Fighters Guild then. I don't want some old nut like frickin' Biden telling me what to do just so he can get me out of his way. I don't need to repair much of anything. Let me see what he's got. A battle axe. With Chitin Cuirass. That's not very high armor rating. A drug shield. Not bad, I would say. It's too heavy. Can't pick it up. Well, I can. I'm trying to keep my weight low here. Okay, Trollbone helm. That's a heavy one. Rating is 15. What do I have on this? Rating is 13. I'll take this. It has a weight of 8. It's about the same as this, really. And then Chitin Mask Helm, Chitin Bright Gauntlet. What I really need is something to cover my right arm. Because as of right now, my right arm is naked. And I don't feel comfortable like that. So I gotta find something that'll keep me out of that. Oh, bone mold. It's not that bad. It's medium. It's not too heavy. I'm not gonna wear it though. Yeah, I think that's all I really want. Thanks. So, what else you got? Alright, well, let's see. What does he have here? No. Just normal stuff. Alright. So that was interesting. Now, let's go to the Fighters Guild.
A fine day to you.
Before I do that, a Trollbone helmet. I mean, it's alright. Not really my type of thing, but it has better armor rating than last time. Now what matters most? Armor rating? Or looks? I say looks are better. can I do for you? Can you give me some training real quick? I need some training in Longblade.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Thank you. Hey, Wayne. Can you give me a barter real quick? I want to see what you've got. Whoa! He's got some good stuff. What the frick is a Jinx sword? Silver arrows, iron war axe, steel throwing knives, steel staff. Yeah, no, I think I'm good now.
So
Okay,
what's
finally
this
I
about?
have, what's it called? A left, right. I have a right pauldron now. If I could find it. No, I swear I bought, oh, I didn't actually buy it. I fucked up, okay. Goodbye.
Not a lot of pretty ladies around.
Do not call me a pretty lady. Anyways, okay, so I need to go to the Caldera Ebony Mine.
Now here's one who can hold their
Not
own.
bad, okay.
Go ahead,
brings you
I'm
here?
listening.
You know what I'm gonna do? I
What's
think
your story?
it's time for the Khajiit to die. I mean, no one's gonna notice. Hi, Revere.
What do you want?
Can I get some barters? Thank you. Let me just buy some stuff off him before I do anything. I really want this katana. You know what? I'm gonna get that katana. Oh, what the fuck? No. Oh, fuck.
Khajiit has no words. This one is no more. This one is no more.
Come on! Come on! Got him! What was he using? A steel warhammer? Jeez, and H, that thing is freaking heavy. Okay, but I got most of my stuff back. I guess I'll just take it all back. Oh, the stuff that I originally had anyways. Thank you very much. I might as well take all the others. I'll sell them later. Oh, right. Get up to the Netch and... what was it again? Go to Caldera. Their names are Alyuna Rain, Sathasta Necron, and Forthernia Hetheron. Wait a minute, hold up. Alyuna Rain. She's been expelled from the Fighters Guild she stole from the Guild Steward. Oh my gosh. They probably have a lookout posted outside the mine. When their 4 agents are dead, report back to Aegis Fire Eye. Okay. Not too difficult. Just gotta go to Caldera now. I'll take the Netch Rider there. Because I'm not walking all the way over there myself. I guess it's time that we should talk a little bit more about Morrowind or Elder Scrolls stuff, you know? So, regarding Elder Scrolls stuff, I mean, I'd say it's alright. Bethesda has made their games pretty fun as of late. Well, not as of late. I mean, Elder Scrolls Online, it's okay. It's not too much fun. One of the events that I remember taking place in was the Jester event, if I remember correctly. It was alright. I got a pretty cool outfit out of it for $7. I regret ever paying $7 for something online. Then again, I did spend like $200 on Fallout 76. I'm a Bethesda nerd, okay, guys? So please, just I can't even vouch for myself because I know what bad things I've done. Anyway, so about Elder Scrolls Online, I don't think it's a really good game. It's just way too well, not clunky. It feels too smooth to where it's unnatural. You know what I mean? It's like at some points you feel like the combat is alright, but then when you go in first person, the combat is terrible. It's only good in third person, and that's not what makes a good Elder Scrolls game. An Elder Scrolls game has to be good with combat of all types. First person, third person. And heck, even if you're playing a game like I don't know, cards or dice. Depends, but it has to be good gameplay. And that's the only thing that I can't wrap my head around with Elder Scrolls Online. It's just that it's not good with the combat system. The only good combat system is from... Holy shit! Who the fuck are you? Come on, die! Who the fuck are you? What the fuck just happened? I was talking about ESO and then all of a sudden this guy just pops up and I was like, oh, come on. Let's keep walking. Caldera is that way. Balmora is that way. What's over here? Peligad. I might come back to Peligad later. But right now I'm going to head over to Caldera. And we are back. I have arrived in Caldera. It wasn't too long of a journey, in all honesty. But now that I'm here, I get to walk through the front gates of a very, very tall building. And I get to try and find the Ebony Mines. I gotta search around, see if I can find where they are, though, because... Wait, Sneck Shovel. What is this place? Sneck. I find that word funny. Oh, Shenk. Sorry. We rent beds in a specific place. Can you tell me? The trade house is near the south gate. The governor's hall sits on the hill northeast. The I can't speak. The Mage's Guild is in the west, in the corner opposite of the northwest towers. Has a guild transport to Vivec, Balmora, Alderaan, and Sadrath Mora mage guilds. The Caldera Ebony Mines. In a depression southwest of town. Roads lead south to Balmora and north to Alderaan. Hold on. Southwest of town. Tell me more about the mines. They are southwest of the village of Caldera. There's an office, a bunkhouse, and a guard tower near the mine entrance. If you're thinking of taking a look while you're there, head straight west from town. Then swing around south into the bowl of the mine. So head west, then go south. Alright. Thank you so much. Okay, so north, east, west, south. So if I go west, he said. If I go west, then I'll be able to hit the mine as soon as I get out. Then I gotta go south. I'm gonna load a save real quick. I can't even load a save. Ah, shit. No. No. Pay 36 gold and surrender stolen goods, or surrender stolen goods and serve your sentence of hard labor. Deliver the gold immediately or come with me. Resist
Surrender
arrest.
now and I might let you live.
No.
Take that.
No,
See
no,
what
no,
you're
no.
made of.
Well, that was fun. Well, that was fun. Never talking to a guard in my life again. Oh my gosh, now I gotta do all this all over again. At least I know where to go now. I just gotta go straight ahead. Don't talk to anyone. Don't do anything. Just, you know, just wait and I don't freaking know.
The scent is new.
I'm gonna have to do this all over again, so with that being said, I'm just gonna cut to me being over there.
Die.
What the fuck? Hey, no, no, no! Okay, I'm using fuck, what do I use? Restore fatigue? I don't freaking know. Wait, I have magic! What am I doing? No, 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 no! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No, no, I can't let this happen!
Where is that slave?
This is not fair. This is genuinely not fair. I can't believe it! I made an autosave, thank goodness. Okay. With that being said, let's just heal. Yes. Thank you. What? Interrupted. The scrub wasn't even trying to fight. Come on. Smack him. Chop him in half. Okay. Wow, that was, another Nyx Hound. Okay. Well, fucking shit. I cannot believe my eyes, man. I got so freaked out thinking I was gonna have to make it all the way back from Balmora to Caldera again just because of some stupid assassin. Oof. Thank goodness that was not the case. I can't believe that happened, man. Can you believe that? Like, somebody decided he wants to assassinate me, an Outlander. I mean, I know I'm not supposed to feel welcome in this land, but for crying out loud, what did I do to you for you to send an assassin from the Dark Brotherhood? Jeez. Oh, wow. Thank goodness it's already over with. Okay, back in Caldera. Now, I learned my lesson, and I'm not going to talk to the guards again, because I know what I did was wrong, but I don't care, because I know what I'm doing is correct. Anyways, so now we got to go to the Ebony Mines. I remember in the journal it said that the mines... Oh wait, I don't have the info on that. Well, I remember the guy in this bar, he said that... Yeah, Shenk's shovel, excuse me. I remember he said that I gotta go west of Caldera and then go south to find the mine. So he said southwest of Caldera. So with that being said, let's go find it. Huh? Who are you? I don't know you. What do you want? Everyone can always use extra coin. Who is Foida Mamera? A volcanic ravine that runs from Red Mountain. Okay, I know about that, alright. What's Foida? Foida means fire river in the native Ashlander language. The deep ash-dark ravines which run down from Red Mountain volcano are called Foida. Foyada. Okay. A lava from Red Mountain is very fluid and runs almost like water. And during an eruption, fire rivers run down from the mountain, clearing ravines of vegetation. Because they have a very good footing, are clear of brush, and run very long distances, we use them like roads when traveling over land. Cool. Is this the mine? Please tell me this is the mine. Yes! No, it's not the mine. I'll go inside anyways. I don't know what's in here, but I'm gonna explore for a little bit. Oh no, there's some people in here. I think these are Telvanni spies. Yes, they are Telvanni spies. Fuck. I can only use it once per day? What the fuck? Hey, no.
Die, Fetcher.
Wait, what? This is not fair. And I don't like this. When I get to Caldera, I'm just going to save there. Let's skip ahead of this. I don't care any longer. Okay, I'm back. I decided to skip the whole part where I was exploring everything and just go straight to the action. So, I don't know where the Ebony Mine is. I'm assuming it's here. But I don't know if it's here because it doesn't say Caldera Ebony Mine. It just says a completely different name that I don't even know. Look, look, look. If I go up to it. If I go up to it right here, it says Ashananumu. I don't even know what the frick that means. But I'm going to assume that this is the mine. I'm going to go in here, but first, I will rest, create an autosave, and go back in. And I'm going to attack them. Also, if you're wondering where I got all this weapons and gear, I did a little bit of off-screen mining, if you will, to get all this stuff. Anyways, let's go back to fighting these people. I feel like I need to use a two-handed blade this time. Or, well, you know what? No. It's a bound longsword. Let's see if I can get done. Come on. Dead. All right. Good, 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 good. Bah! Come on. Dead. Holy shit. This is better than I expected. Come on. Yes! That was easier than I thought. Oh my gosh, this weapon, Tonto, is awesome. They actually got a lot of good stuff. I'm not gonna lie. But with that being said, I need to go in here, check around, see if there's any more people to kill. I hope there is, because I don't want to be, you know, just here doing nothing. Okay, I sound like a psychopath. I'm gonna calm it down just a little bit. I feel like I'd rather keep exploring though, because these people, Forthra Henroth, Satasha Nethorin. Wait a minute, hold up. Alyun, Arelin, Satasha Nethorin, Forthran, Hethran, and Alveg. Wait, Alveg. 4 Telvanni agents responsible. I killed 3. Where's the 4th one? I'm gonna rest until healed real quick. Just make a quick autosave, because it said 4. And now I need to find... Wait a minute. Is he outside? Athletics increased to 22. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Thank you. I think he was outside. I'm gonna go double check real quick and see if that is the case. Because if that's so, well, I'm kind of stupid for not noticing earlier. Alright. His name, the last one was Alveleg. Yeah, Alveleg. Alveleg. Hey, real quick, can I ask you a question, sir? Is your name Alveleg? It's Alveleg. Oh boy. Training. Oh, okay. Can you train me in block real quick? Just a quick thing, real quick. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now that that's done, you know what? Let's test this out. See if this will actually work or not. It probably won't, but I want to see.
This is going to be fun.
It's not hitting. None of my shots are hitting. Hey, get up. Okay, none of my shots are hitting. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Drop that. What the fuck do I do? Fuck it. Yeah! Come here, you freaking pussy.
There will be vengeance. This is not the last of this.
Come on. Fight like a man. I'm a woman, but fight like a man. Let's get back up there and do it again. Oh, I am actually very happy that I'm able to do this. Wait a minute. Can I only use it once per day? That's some bullshit right there, but okay. Wait, chop is 20, thrust. Thrust. It has a low thrust, so. I gotta chop more than I thrust. Okay. That's easy enough. Just heal real quick. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Now you're going to get it.
Come on. I was so close. Do it again. Until healed. Let's see, what can I use this time to throw him off? I could try doing this, but his marksman skill is way higher than mine, and I don't have a good marksman. Look, if I go here, a marksman is literally all the way down here, and it's 5. Fucking 5. I'll use the Nordic Claymore.
Now you're going to get it.
There we go! No, not Scarecrow Blythe. Give me Alveg. Here we go. Long sword, Imperial Chain Cuirass. A longbow with some iron arrows. I'll take some iron arrows, and I'll take a longbow. I'll see how much I can get done with that. Potion of Restore Health. Oh, bargain potion. Dragon Scale Tower Shield. Yes, sir. Fucking thank you. My gosh. I did not know he had a Dragon Scale Tower Shield. Wait, what? 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 Equip? Oh, that works out. Okay, thank goodness. I thought for a second I was gonna have to do something else. But no. It's fine now. Wow, look at my character. They're all decked out and everything. They look a little bit weird on the bottom half of their torso, but I think it looks fine. They are really, really... They look powerful, is what I mean. Now, because I have the Dragon Scale Tower Shield, I know where I can get a Dragon Scale Cuirass. And where I can get a Dragon Scale Cuirass, and a Dragon Scale Helmet, and a Dragon Scale Leggings, and a Dragon Scale Weapon. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be going on another freaking quest. Oh, that is a nasty helmet, I just realized that. Anyways. So that's how I use it? Just by blocking like this? So when I block like this... Okay. That works out. That checks out. Okay. And then I have some longbow. I have a longbow. It has 1 to 20 attack. Depending on my marksman skill, of course. Yeah, for now, I'm just going to put my stuff away. Oh, I'm not going to be doing too much here now. I got to go back to Balmora. And once I do that, I got to go back to the Fighters Guild. And then I can just tell them, hey, I killed all the people that you wanted me to. Let me go to the office real quick. I just gotta find a way back to Balmora now. I'm still in... No, I'm not in Caldera anymore, but I gotta go down, right? There's a mining bunkhouse, they said. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Ooh. What is this? A legend? No. Nothing there. A miner's pick. Why do I need this? I have no idea. I'm not going to be using it anytime soon. It's a very cozy place in here. Honestly, I would live here if I had no other choice. It's a nice, cozy place. I like it. Locked level 25. It's not going to be locked for longer. Lockpick success. Yes, sir. And there's nothing here that I want. Well, except for this. This is a cool amulet. I'll put it on my persons. And that's about it, really. I'm gonna be equipping the Silver War Axe with me, because this War Axe is something that I'm gonna be using to fend off against undead and ghosts later on, so I'll just be using that for my own appearance. Anyway, Iron Tower Shield. When did I get this? I don't remember ever grabbing that. Well, this is pretty much all that I needed to get, really. I'm gonna drop down here real quick. No, 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 no. Let me up. Okay, good, good. Well, this is gonna take me a while, so I'll be back in Balmora before you know it. Guys, I think I'm genuinely lost here. I don't know where to go. I tried searching around, but all I can find is this small mining company, so either I go back to Caldera or I go back to Balmora. You know what? Frick this. I'm going back to Balmora, using the most unconventional way possible. Skyrim mountain climbing. If I can even mountain climb in the first place. I'm gonna check out this Caldera mine real quick. Because I know there's a place where I can get some ebony ore that I can make ebony armor into if I really wanted to. Hey there, guard. How you doing? Do not talk to me, I swear. If you talk,
What's Sarah?
if you talk to me, I will kill you on the spot and raid your corpse. Nothing there. Okay. Let me just equip my lantern real quick. I feel like there's something... Oh, wait, I didn't grab a lantern earlier.
That's quite enough, thief.
What? Wow.
You in.
He called me an Enwa. Hey, hey, get out. Hey, no, no. Okay, granted, I probably deserved a little bit of that, but, I mean... Great, now I gotta start this all over again. Thankfully, he still has the Nordic shield, so there's that.
Now you're going to get it.
Come on! Hey, 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 get back here! What? No, 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 no. Come on. Stop running. There we go. Okay, just take all his stuff. Take all his stuff. I'm not gonna take the bow. I don't need the bow. But I'll just... Yeah, no, close that. What the fuck? Why are you fighting me? 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 Why am I fighting? Get the fuck away from me! Why was he fighting me? Why was he fighting me? Why was he fighting me? Oh my gosh. I'm resting. I'm not having to deal with that again. Because for crying out loud, that took way too long, too much of my patience and time, so I'm not dealing with that again. I'm just gonna go through my life. I'm gonna go back to Balmora and never speak of this again. Because my gosh, I spent way too long trying to fix this. Way too long trying to fix all of this mess that I had. It took me almost, what, 2 to 3 hours? Sorry, 2 hours at most, filming this. So now I'm just like, oh, hold up. So now I'm just gonna head back to Balmora. I don't even care anymore. I'm just gonna head back to Balmora. I don't even care anymore. Oh my gosh. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys there.
Keep moving.
Jeez and H, it's pouring out here. I can't believe it. Alright, we're almost there to Balmora. It's just a few minutes away, right down this road. Oh yeah, I fought a rat and a worm down here. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. This is the most fun that I've ever had in an Elder Scrolls game to date, without being bored almost immediately. Now, granted, I do get annoyed pretty quickly at this game, only because the difficulty spike is so high that it ends up being really annoying when you die. But other than that, this is the most fun that I've ever had in a Skyrim game to date. Although I don't actually know the actual, main quest line of the series, I get to explore the entire land. I get to do all sorts of things, do side quests for people, find treasures people would think unimaginable, from Daedric artifacts to a golden weapon to a god, or like fighting gods and demons. Like, this is probably one of the best games to come out of the Elder Scrolls series in a long time, and I love it. Not to mention, I mean, they got Dragonbone weapons in this game. In Skyrim, you didn't have Dragonbone weapons. You had to get that by DLC. And funny enough, the DLC for Dragonbone weapons is actually a mod. Can you believe that? A mod made by somebody for the game that they ended up putting into a DLC called Dawnguard. Well, anyways, enough with the Skyrim history lore. Time to finish my quest.
I'm listening, please. Go ahead.
Can you give me some training real quick? I'd like to learn how to block. Thank you. Oh, and let me sell some stuff to you. I do not want a Iron Tower shield anymore. I don't want a Golden Fur helmet, even though it looks really good. And I no longer want... oh, I gotta keep these, because if I don't, then I'm not gonna be able to fight very well. But this weighs a lot, and so does all the other things in my inventory. I don't have steel boots. I need boots. I don't know where to get boot. I finally have boots.
What brings you here, friend?
I finally have boots. This looks perfect. My outfit is complete.
That's how I like it. Bold and direct.
Do you have any information on the
I
Telvanni?
like you.
Shut up! Okay, excuse me. Do you have any information on the Telvanni agents? I need to know. You got all 4? Good. That'll make some people at Caldera Mining Company very happy. And here's 400 septums. 400! Okay, that's pretty good. The Caldera Mining Company pays well, and when you're ready for more orders, let me know. Give me some more orders. I need someone to return a code book that belongs to our client. Okay. The code book our client wants is in the hand of Salty at the South Wall in Balmora. Find that code book and bring it back to me. Okay. Where's Salty? She's Thieves Guild. What? She's Thieves Guild. I take full responsibility. And listen, I'm Guild Steward. When I say jump, you ask how high. Keep that in mind, and we won't have any problems. Okay, what's the code book? The code book our client wants is in the hands of Salty at the South Wall in Balmora. Okay, I'm gonna go to the South Wall. Looks like I'm be doing 2 things
Go ahead,
for the fighters, Guild today.
Are you
I need
new
to go
here?
to the South Wall and get a code book and bring it back to her for some reason. I don't know why I need to do that, but I guess it'll be important once I find out why. This is taking longer than expected, mainly because of all my freaking
Wealth beyond measure.
flukes and everything, but I'm trying my best when I
What
play
is
this.
this about?
Hold on. Let me see if Sawtooth is in here.
Are you new here?
Hello, Sawtooth. I need a code book from you. What code book? I wouldn't talk to you about that sort of thing. What code book? What code book? What code book? Oh my gosh. Fighters Guild. Can you give me the code book, please? I wouldn't talk to you about that sort of thing. The South Wall. Yes, this is the South Wall. How do I get the code book from her? Code book? What code book? I wouldn't talk to you about that sort of thing. Citizens of the Empire. How about I persuade you a little bit more generous? And judgment is good. Now, can you tell me about the code book? Okay, friend, you know about the code book. I don't want any trouble with you, so just take it. Just don't tell anyone I gave it to you. Thank you very much. Looks like having to persuade people by giving money is actually a very impressive good thing. I never knew that giving money would persuade your actions into letting people give you stuff, or letting them talk to you about other things. Who knew? Okay, time to go back to the Fighters Guild. Just across the bridge and over the river. Gotta go over here. But you know what? Let's take a look. What is this code book? It's just gibberish. What the fuck is this? It's quite literally gibberish. I can't read any of this. Like, look at this. I can't read any of this. What is all this? Ah, hold on. I'm getting a phone call. Alright, I'm back. Now then, back to the Fighters Guild.
Wealth beyond measure.
Head on.
Be quick and many.
Alright. Hey,
You
Fire
need
Eye.
something.
No, I don't need anything for you right now, but...
So
Hey.
what's this about?
Fire Eye, I got your code book. So-called
Well,
code book.
this is a grand day. Greetings.
I'm glad that you have the code book. Hand it over and I'll give you a payment. There you go. 50 septums? It's barely enough money. Oh, what happened to all the other septums that you were giving me, huh? 100 septums, 200 septums, 400 septums, and now you give me 50. Whatever. What about advancement? Thank you, Katara, the Journeyman. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am now a better advancement. Oh, Katara the Swordsman. Okay. Anything else? Perform your duties and practice your skills. You were not ready yet. Fuck you. But I'm a swordsman now, so it's better than nothing. Any more orders? Hilvani Delcy owes one of our clients 200 septums. Deliver Delsier's debt money to me. Ozani Delso runs a corner club in Saran. She owns Manos Orthlane, one of our clients, 200 septums. Bring this money to me, and I'll let you keep half of it. Alright, sounds good to me. I'm just doing the Fighters Guild quest
Anytime,
line right
friend.
now,
What
so
can I
that
do
way I
for you,
can finish
friend?
stuff. I'm trying to get all the way to the top, so that way once I do, I'll get some good armor. and
Are you
everything
new
else.
here?
Yes, I'm new here. Why do you ask? If you have a question, give me a little advice. Bring me as a barbarian at the Skyrim mission in Avonheart. Remarkably well spoken for a barbarian, but he knows things a barbarian shouldn't know. Oh, okay. Well, I think this is enough time for me. So, with that being said, thank you everyone for watching another playthrough of Path to Morrowind with your host, Top Weed. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace!